guys, welcome back to Tech Custom. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. As you can see, this is the latest Aero OS ROM available for Redmi 5. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. As you can see, Aero OS, there are few changes in this ROM, only little change, 2-3 changes in this ROM. We will talk about that. Here you can see Quell Lite kernel is installed in this ROM 3.18.140. 11.0 community version. This is the community version, or you can use the other version of both. The link will be in the description. You can check the description. And build date, as you can see, 5 April build date. This is the latest build available for Redmi 5. This is and this ROM is very good in the performance. I recommend this ROM for daily usage also if you want to use this ROM. And we will also check the Call of Duty performance. And I have already rooted my device, so our safety net is not passed in this ROM. As you can see, safety net is not passed. And first change is that the face unlock is added in this ROM. So now you can easily apply the face unlock in this ROM Aero OS. Previous version or the build face unlock was not available, so now it is now fixed. As you can see, let me apply the fingerprint. As you can see, let's check the fingerprint speed and how fast you will get the fingerprint speed, and how fast is the face unlock also. Let's check the fingerprint first. Tap open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is good in this ROM, not very lightning fast. It is better than the average, so the fingerprint speed is good. And let's check the new added face unlock speed. How fast is the face unlock? 1 to 1, 1 2 3 1 to 1. No thanks, yes, setup. Let me apply the face unlock. So as you can see, I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. As you can see, face unlock speed is also good, better than the average. Face unlock speed is also good. I recommend this ROM for security, and fingerprint speed is very good for daily usage. You can install this ROM. Oh, don't worry, you will not feel any lag in the performance and delay in the fingerprint. And battery performance of this ROM is also very good. As you can see, let me show you battery percentage enable. Since battery usage 1 hour 7 minutes last. As you can see, this is the battery usage of this ROM. Sound performance is very good. There is no problem in the sound is very loud, so don't worry. And volume panel on the left, vibration is also working. The sound is working, vibration is working on the tap sound on the fingerprint while unlocking via fingerprint. Vibration is working. Google account you have to flash. There are two versions available in this ROM. First one is the with gaps, and other one is without gaps. Whichever you want, you can install it. Link will be in the description. And here is the buttons. Enable advanced restart, invert layout. You can invert the layout also if you want. And here is the gestures. Quickly open camera. For camera is installed in this ROM. Or you can flash the Google camera also. Gestures is available. 2 button is also available. All the gestures are working perfectly fine. Swipe to screenshot is also available. As you can see, it is working perfectly. As you can see, there is no long screenshot available in this ROM. And our safety net is default passed, so don't worry. And our Play Store is certified. Right now my safety net is not passed because I have rooted my device to install the Call of Duty. And let's check the other features. All the change logs will be written in the description, so you can check the description also. And all the display settings are same. Screen off animation is also available. As you can see, you can apply it according to your use, whichever you want. As you can see, Volt is working, Geo is working, so don't worry, you will not face any problem. And hotspot is working, Bluetooth is working, everything is working perfectly without any problem. And dark theme is also working, adaptive brightness is also working, everything is working fine and smooth. So you can install this ROM for daily usage also if you want. And if we talk about the Antutu benchmark is not completing in this ROM, so I will not be able to tell you about the Antutu score. I am not able to complete the score. And if you want the comparison video of this ROM with other maybe Lineage OS, will be uploaded soon. And let's check the Call of Duty performance of this ROM. So now let's check the Call of Duty performance in the Aero OS ROM 5 April build. As you can see, you will not feel any problem or lag in the performance of this ROM. In the gaming performance, we are playing Call of Duty COD. As you can see, right now there is some delay because of played it once. पीछे से कौन मार रहा है? As you can see, it is working perfectly fine without any problem. Only in the starting you will feel the lag. So the overall performance is very good in this ROM. अभी क्या हुआ? Network performance is also good. Network signals. As you can see, performance is very good, amazing performance. So don't worry, you will not feel any problem in this ROM. अबे यार. As you can see, so I recommend this ROM for daily usage. If you want to install this ROM, I recommend this ROM. Gaming performance is very good. Overall the performance of this ROM is also very good, and the face unlock is also added in this ROM finally. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates. I should fuck her in the Benz.